can I get this chat somewhere more important? Oh, there's Foo-Foo.
Look how cute Jelly is. So cute, Jelly. Alright. Johnny 5! Johnny! Johnny, you're here, Johnny!
I didn't play Minecraft.
Johnny! We did crafts for you earlier today, Johnny. Out of cement, Johnny. Actually, is Daddy supposed to be Johnny? I don't think he is, really. I think Johnny is just Johnny.
Chat.
Yay, cement!
What up, Ryzen?
What?
Ryzen's on?
Ryzen?
He's in live stream.
Yeah, Ryzen's in live stream.
Are you serious?
Serious. Serious. So we're gonna go look for some ice biome today.
Manaphy.
Manaphy,
Manaphy.
how can I get out of this porch?
I know, it's awful.
This is a terrible porch. Who created this?
It's like it's
Let's
the
go out the secret door.
Trap. Oh no, please don't have.
Okay, so where was this
What the heck?
Manaphy guy?
It's in the ocean.
Why would a manaphy? It's a giant stingray.
Yeah, I can't get off of JJ's patio like ever.
That's because those are walls. They're walls. You can't go through them.
Yeah. Okay, ocean biome.
Okay, so are we all gonna fly in the same direction or in different
Yes.
directions?
I think
what?
I'm gonna stay home just in case you guys get lost.
Oh yeah, we gotta write down the coordinates,
I
don't
actually
we?
don't think it's a bad idea to fly in different directions.
We got the coordinates of the current house.
I'm gonna write them down anyway.
Not the.
Basically 2,000 by 2,300. They should be right. They should be there.
Jungle 20.
Yeah. Yep, that's the one. Jungle House, 2,000 by 2,300 is basically it. Okay.
Negative 2,000.
All right. Then I am going to hop on my dude. Come on, buddy. And John, I am going to go from where we're standing right now. I'm going to go to the right.
So you want me to go to the left?
Yep, the left, straight back. Although I have a really good feeling about behind us.
So wait, so you're facing
So
that
you
way.
go behind us. I will go that way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm going this way.
Which way?
Behind us.
Okay, you're gonna go towards JJ's treehouse?
No, that's in front of us.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that direction then.
What?
I have a good feeling about.
I'm going that way, towards the ocean.
Okay, I'm going the opposite direction. Okay, see ya. See you in a little bit. Up above the trees there, buddy.
Searching for the eyes. Searching for
Will
the
it
eyes.
be obvious?
It'll be white.
Yes, it will be quite obvious. But there won't be like giant hills or anything. It will be like a.
Yeah, not the top of a mountain. We don't want that kind of ice.
While you guys are going out looking, I'm gonna start grinding with War Turtle so I can evolve. Because I think I'm gonna stay here at the house just in case you guys get lost and you need coordinates.
Okay. You don't have to.
I want to.
Are you gonna look for Pokemon and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a big jungle biome, I'll tell you that much.
He avowed
He
it.
did. About it, your attack.
He avowed it.
Alright, Beagle. Do you need to go out and pee, Beagle? Will you see if you can get him to go out and pee?
He avowed my attack.
No, he's just hanging out. He's all good. Do you have to go pee-pee? Alright, what am I here? Let's let this. Let's let this. There's a duck.
Psyduck?
Nope. Just yeah, Psyduck. Excuse me, Psyduck, yes. Alright, I am at a plains biome. Just looking around a little bit. Looks like I finally got out of the jungle. Alright, let's go, buddy. There's a new cow. What are you? That's a sheepy sheep. Let's see what we got here, bud. Oh boy, let me see the cave. Oh no.
Mommy
A
has to go in
Pokeball.
the cave.
There's like a random Pokeball. I
You
literally
gotta
just...
get him. It might be a special object or a berry.
Bubble Beam.
What's that mean?
Press E.
It's a new attack, isn't it?
Now, if for your water types, you can get that. I suggest Gary. No, throw it out. Throw with Jerry. Put that in your inventory.
Down here? I don't need it right now, do I? I'll do it later.
It's a pretty good attack.
That's crazy that I just happened to land right there by a Pokeball. Isn't that weird? Crap. Now where was I going? Maybe I was going this way. Alright, come on, buddy. Whoops, I don't have buddy. Buddy! Alright, come on, buddy. Yep. I know, bud. You're doing great. What are ice biomes typically near?
Plains biomes.
There's a little house. Let's see what's in that little house.
Alright, I've moved to a forest biome.
Is it gonna be a witch? Why is there a little house?
Goldfish.
Why is there a little house? Is it gonna be a witch house?
Yeah, that's a witch hut, but there ain't no witches there.
Goldfish.
I hear someone.
You found a little
Corfish.
house. You found a little house.
A wooden house.
Why are you in F5 mode?
Because I was flying. So I was in F5 mode. There's just a crafting table up there. No chest.
Crafting table and cauldrons.
And a cauldron.
Alright, I see some melons. I'm gonna go down here and grab those for extra food. Right, buddy? Pumpkin.
Abra.
Abracadabra. Alexa, please rock.
Level 16.
That's not that.
Right?
Oh, snap.
Cauldron. Fail. Fail.
Thank you, Daddy.
JJ.
Thank you, JJ. We got
No, he hasn't said anything else. Underwater pyramid thingy down there.
I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. And she lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. Daddy, what are your coordinates presently?
When I land, I'll tell you. But I cannot land because I'm over water.
Okay. I have found another jungle biome.
Ooh, I found some brown sand. This is new.
Red sand. That's the mesa biome.
Nice! Yay! A new spot! You found a mesa! Oh my gosh. Okay, write it down, Dada.
That's not very far from where
It
I am.
really looks. Oh, it's negative. I went 4,000.
Yeah, negative. That is so cool. Alright, so right, mesa. That is sweet.
We can finally
Alright, I'm
get a
flying to
metagross.
you.
We can finally get a
So we're at
metagross.
negative
Negative
1860
1860 by
by
negative.
negative
2200.
2200.
Alright.
I wonder what level that guy is. Mine
my
was
gosh,
level
I'm
60.
so-
That's an AA Ron.
Yeah, mine was level 60.
I haven't seen a mesa yet. That is so cool.
So far, it's mainly the same guys that are in the mines. Rock clobblers and
Well, then maybe I'll keep looking for the ice then.
I'm going to Dad.
60.
Yeah, and then you can get your own,
Yeah, because
Food
every
court.
time we find a new biome, we build a new place. So yeah, we all gotta meet here. All right,
also,
negative what now?
that is new terracotta.
Dada, what is it? Negative what?
Negative 1800 by negative 2200.
Okay,
I'll bring supplies.
you gotta bring supplies, Jay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mirrors on the ceiling. Alright, I'm heading that way.
We should make
Because
a
it's right next to a
terracotta house.
forest.
Yeah, that's a...
Swamp?
No, that's a, like... Go in F3, you'll see what
Ooh,
it
there's a
is.
Sunstar thingy.
I think that might have been a shiny. No joke. Nope.
Says it's a mesa plat.
Platinum.
Ooh, there's a mine. I see mine tracks.
Yeah. Mineshaft tracks are everywhere. there are just mine shafts everywhere in the Mesa biome.
Boom.
Mine
Mine.
shaft.
Oh,
There are
sweet.
mine shafts
Oh my gosh,
everywhere.
awesome.
There.
I can't wait. Alright, I'm already at 1800. I just gotta go to negative 2000. I am heading right in the direction. Jay, will you please let Bob out very quickly before you do anything else? Thank you, my love. Woo, very laggy. Thank you, sweetie pie. I have to take a whiz, man. Alright, tell me again, negative 1800 by negative
2200.
22, okay.
We will need dirt, so I'm bringing a stack of dirt.
Okay.
What do we need dirt for?
Farm.
Yeah, Mesa probably doesn't have a lot of dirt, do they?
Forest. I mean,
Beach,
desert.
river. Whoa, just found a river. Didn't you say we needed to find a river biome? We don't?
No.
Whoa. Hold on. Roofed forest? What is a roofed forest biome?
Means it's a forest biome.
Basically just a taller forest.
But you said we don't need to find a river?
Mm-mm.
Okay, cool. Let me get back on track then. This way, buddy. Keep on flying, my man. Keep on flying.
Okay. Coordinates?
Negative 1800 by negative 2200.
1800, 2200.
There's a vulture looking bird.
Fish court.
Birch Forest Hills.
Fish court.
That's pretty cute. Yeah, there are tons of mines over here, Jay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Also, there are bell dumps and salamances. If I have a salamance, that would just be epic.
Alright, what are we at? Negative 1800 by what?
Negative 22.
I am already at negative 1800. I am nowhere near negative 22.
I'm going to start collecting railroad tracks.
22,000.
2200, yeah.
There goes the land.
Damn it. Oh my gosh, I'm going the wrong direction again. I can't get X and Z to match ever. Alright, let me just get to negative 2,000 and then I'll go from there. I'm already at positive 400.
There's first forest.
Oh, good time. I feel
Oh,
alive.
all I brought. No, I didn't even bring the diamonds. I didn't bring anything.
Thought you were bringing supplies, man.
I thought I was too.
Extreme Hills? Do
We have
need
lots of
Extreme
dirt over
Hills,
here,
Jay?
so.
Extreme Hills?
Nasa bayan.
Yeah, I found Extreme Hills. We've already been to the Extreme Hills, though, haven't we?
Yes, we have a house in this village.
Like a tiger. Gravity. I'm a racing car. Racing by like Lady Godiva. Whoa, whoa. Why won't you go up, buddy? What's the problem? Buddy, what's wrong? JJ, help me. Help me. JJ,
You're
I
probably
need help.
in the water.
I'm in the water. I need help. I'm
Push.
going to die.
Push R.
Just hold W.
Push
Just hold
R.
space. Hold space.
Push R. Left the game. Why'd you leave the game for?
I don't know.
Just wait. I can help you, okay?
Everything I was hitting was not working.
You need to hold space and you go up.
It's going to respawn me back at the house.
No, it won't.
Huh? Where's it going to respawn me?
You disconnected, so it should spawn you still in the water.
Okay, hold space.
Nothing's happening yet. It just says logging in.
Okay, you're logged in.
Now just hold space and don't panic.
I got nothing.
Ooh,
It
there's
just
a
keeps saying logging in.
minecart.
Come on, buddy. Let me in. Okay. I'm flying again. He won't. What's wrong with Buddy?
Let me help you.
I'm here. Did Buddy die? What's wrong with Buddy?
I don't know. You were in the water, so
This is
you
ridiculous.
distracting me is making me go the wrong direction.
I'm sorry. I was gonna die. I was gonna die.
Don't freak out. Just hold space bar.
You're freaking out about me not freaking out.
That's because you freaking out is making me freak out, so I'm losing my mind.
I yelled you. I'm having a ball. And having such a good time. Having a good time. I don't want to stop at
Now my coordinates are Blasted Wingles!
Somebody's very angry at his mommy.
Mm-hmm. Someone's very angry at his mom.
Very
What
angry
happened?
at his
What happened over there?
Shame on you, mommy. Got a pain in the butt, mommy. Mommy, you're a pain in my butt. Why do you always spaz out, mommy? That dumb mommy. Spin wheel, keep on turning. Carry me home so I can sing a song about the summer. I'm so around you once again. I think it's the same. Oh, Beagle, shut up! Pain in my ass. So spoiled.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh, you dog! Okay, shush. You're such
Now
a
I'm in
dork.
running around like a mad dog.
Such a
Mad
dork.
dog, mad dog.
Making a 500.
Alright, so, should I start building a house or are they gonna come in here and
Start building the house.
decide for me? What kind of material? Redstone? Red sand?
No.
You don't know? Okay, I got plenty of dirt to make a farm.
I found a desert. Oh, that's satisfying.
Okay, how about I build the home here? Put the chest down. Oh, I lost my chicken. I lost my chicken! There it is. Fossil. I got a fossil. See you, sucker. Alright, so let's build it into... Ooh, that's a nice wall.
Probably not the best time to be catching Pokemon.
That's what I'm gonna be doing too, because I've got.
I did pass two red
Oh,
houses
where'd you go, Will?
on my way out here.
Well, I'm mining right now, so
If you find diamonds, then great.
I'm just getting some coal that's right here on the surface, basically. I figure we'll definitely need it.
Okay. Let's do this.
I got
Because the
a
base of
monkey.
Biome has my stuff.
There's a lot of blocks that you have never seen.
Really? Are you there?
No.
Dad?
What up?
No, I don't want to fight you, buddy. Geo butthole. I don't have any way to heal my buddy. Daddy, we gotta find some diamonds. Jay, did you bring any diamonds, dude?
I've already told you I forgot.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh.
Okay. So, if I mine this...
Let me just say, it won't be hard to find diamonds.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
In the Mesa biome, there's a ton of mine shafts.
Ah,
So you can look in the chests and you can get them.
no worries.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 tall.
Well, wherever the heck I am right now, I just found 64 coal. Or something like that. Oh, there's a donkey.
Donkey.
Alright, I gotta get to the mesa, man. I want to check this place
I'm
out.
so close. I'm only 1,000
gosh, I gotta
blocks
eat.
away.
Are you really? Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. I'm so far away.
I'm so close. I'm only 1,000.
Alright, buddy, let's go, bud.
So we got 1, 2,
No.
3, 4, 5,
Well,
6.
Terry, no. 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 Clear, 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 clear.
There's a wormhole! I found that hut thingy.
The witch hut?
I found the hut of the pizza.
Hut. Sorry, Greg. I love it. Alright, 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 alright.
Why is
alright.
there another desert?
Gotta go negative. Negative. Negative.
You're still not in the negative?
No. Believe it or not, no. Negative 8. Oh man, I got a long way to go. Bob! Bob! Quit it!
200 blocks away.
Stop it, buddy! No!
300
It's
blocks.
like having a freaking 3-year-old. Only a crappy 3-year-old. A shitty one, not like what
I'm
you
at
were.
negative 2,000.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? It's taking me forever, dude. Forever, bro! I'm just at negative 400.
Okay. And I see the mesa. I see a slight bit of red sand. Oh, thank goodness. It took me forever. Yes! I never thought I'd be so happy to see red sand. Okay, I'm here. Let's see if I can just quickly get it out.
Can you find your father?
Come on, buddy. Buddy, fly, bro. Why does he keep landing?
I'm trying to. Where am I? Where am I?
Where am I?
I'm finally here.
We've already been to the plains biome, right?
Yes, that's where we started.
So my exact coordinates is negative 1824 by negative 2390.
These people do not know how to greet guests.
Stone Beach? I guess a Stone Beach biome.
Yeah, it's basically a beach with
Made of stone.
Instead of sand, it's stone. It's like the sand has infected. The stone has infected the sand. Okay. What I came here for mostly to build them. I found a build them already.
Oh my god, get out. That's what we were just playing for earlier today. That's crazy.
Oh, Dad, I just saw your Pokemon. Woo, let's go. Okay. There's a water gun.
Yes, we know, Ryzen. We know you're watching.
Oh, that was close.
No, why is he commenting?
He's making sure we know who he is. But we know who he is.
I just wrecked Zelda. That's awkward. Dad, I see you.
There we go. Look at that beautiful house. 2 doors.
Alright, Mesa, 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 Mesa. I'm here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Looks like a shop here. Hey.
Alright, Dad, I need you to tell me where you're at, bro. I'm at the Mesa.
I'm at
Okay.
Dash.
Okay, so
Oh, I see a Pokeball. I see a Pokeball.
you better get it.
That's even better than a Beldum. That's even better.
Space mail.
This is
That green guy up there, the boss.
Space mail? Really?
No, this Metang.
He's green, isn't he a boss?
If I cried when I
Okay, wifey. So
Brian.
negative 1800 by negative 2380. Oh, there's a Steelix.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh, Dad found a boss
whoa.
Steelix.
whoa.
What?
Whoa.
What?
Wait,
That's just a ride-on.
I don't have one of those, do I? Rhyhorn. Oh, he's cool. Anyway, I'm not going to worry about catching Pokemon right now. Daddy, negative 1800.
Yeah. By negative 23. Come to the top of a hill. Me and JJ are both on top of a hill.
Top of a hill, top of a hill,
No, broke free.
top of a hill. Believe in rock and roll.
I don't see you anymore.
I used to waste so much time right here.
Know that you're in love with him, 'cause I saw you dancing in the gym.
Where you at, babe? Where you at?
Negative 1774
No.
by negative 2212.
Well,
I don't see it
well,
when I
you're
zoom out.
negative
I'm very
1800 by negative 2375.
Was I out of luck?
Yeah, there is a bunch of Rhyhorns.
I think I just need to fly over this last hill.
Yeah, you really should be flying to the top of a hill so we can see you.
I even zoom at it and I still don't see it.
Alright, buddy. Come on, buddy. What is happening right now? I keep throwing stuff out. Oh, because Diglett keeps jacking with me. Never mind. Okay. Yep. Go away. Okay. Buddy. There we go. What? But then I threw out my glasses. What's happening right now?
Glasses are in your hand.
My stupid glasses. I don't care
Press
about the
space.
glasses.
Keep pressing. Oh, you're not in your guy anymore. Press R.
No.
Oh, you're trying to give him the glasses. That's what's happening.
Yeah. You can't hold the mail and the glasses at the same time.
I don't. What do I do to get rid of them?
Okay, so you just push that key. You just put it on the
Wait,
phone or something.
yeah, just switch.
Just get rid of it. I don't even care about either one of them. Okay, thank you. Alright, Diglett, go away, bro. Oh my god.
This is just the Pokemon server, so you could join Raisin. This is just the normal old Pokemon bit.
Alright, I'm going to the top of this hill.
Okay, top of the hill. Top of the hill. Where are you? Where are you?
Okay. Please, let me catch this Metang.
Where are you?
Not a stupid Metang!
Alright, I am at negative
Don't wanna flipping kill
Negative
this
1800.
thing.
1778 by negative 2235.
You gotta get to 23.
23?
Yeah, you're 100 squares off.
Sweet perfume.
I'm looking for you because I'm all zoomed out.
Okay. Alright, I've got to be really close.
I see you, I see you, I see you.
do?
Okay,
Yep.
okay, take
Check,
the left,
land,
take the left.
land, right there, land. That's where the house is.
Landing.
Okay, Dad should come to you.
Okay.
I might
Well,
need one of
okay,
your
so-
Pokeballs.
So,
You can
babe.
have whatever you want.
So, babe, walk forward. Well, now you turn. Look over towards the mountainside.
You should say Dad.
Dad! I see you! I see you! Oh my gosh, we got a Mesa biome. I'm so excited.
Okay, I'm on.
I
I'm
see you,
on
babe.
Red Hill. I have my
Babe, there's
Snorlax out.
There's a chest right there, babe.
Yeah,
I'm
I put it
up
there.
Huh?
I put it there.
Oh, nice.
I am up there.
Beep, Bugaboo, I see you!
Yeah, I found a Metang.
Mwah.
And that evolves into Metang.
Okay, do you want me to head up and give you Pokeballs?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm heading up.
Just make sure to probably use your fly if you do.
I got
Or
this.
if you want to.
Right? Just when I say, I got this. Oh, Daddy's bringing you Pokeballs,
No,
bud.
no, I'm not.
Daddy's- Oh,
Oh, he does have Pokeballs.
But I'm not bringing them to you.
nice!
I thought this guy was green from where I was looking.
Snorlax.
Yeah, that's the guy I want because he evolves into one of the most overpowered
All right,
Pokemon
Jay, what do you need?
ever.
What do you need? What do you need?
Let's see. Let's go with a luxury ball.
Okay, ready?
Actually, yeah. No.
What do you want me
There
to
we
do?
go.
Okay, let me
Looks
know
like
if
a
you need
little
more. I'll be
chicken
right
with
here.
an egg.
That guy's sweet. Come on, bud.
I kind
Eat
of
him.
He's literally a
want the
perfect
house on top of this hill. I like this hill.
Matang broke free.
That's awkward.
Okay,
Let's
so
see. Anything else you got?
how do I get out of here so I can?
There's a stop spectating up
See, I've already lost the house because it's down on the side of the hill.
Yeah, I got luxury ball. I got heavy ball.
Hey, got you.
Okay, you want it?
Sure.
What do I do?
Press Q.
Okay.
Bingo.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to
You
discover this
missed.
place. It's cool. What?
I see the Pokeball next to me.
Hold on. I'll go get it. Okay, hold on. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, come on, dude. You got this.
How is he such a troll?
I got plenty of Pokeballs. What else do you want? I got love balls. I've got heal ball.
Let's do the love ball.
And I've got another luxury ball.
Love ball.
Okay, you ready?
Mhm.
A little closer.
Okay.
I'll put it in your head.
Now pick it up.
Hold on, I got it. Here we go. Ready? Buddy.
How awkward.
Right? Here we go. Did you get it?
We can change the name and use it on our local server.
Barely.
So he's able to do that
Did you get
for
it?
our
Oh
game.
my gosh, dude.
But to play on a public server, he can't change his name.
Quite annoying.
That's how I get it to work for all the kids in class. Because I don't check the database of usernames. I just allow anyone to join. So that means if you still have the little shortcut for playing at school and know how to change your username, you can change it back to your CBR gaming username.
So try to throw it on the block I'm standing on.
Okay.
Love balls have impressed me before and they failed me miserably.
Which is why your skins don't work on our server, because it doesn't check the database and retrieve your skins.
Anytime revolves.
Luxury ball. No, dude. I
So-
brought 6 balls. Use 3, but I'll give you all of them. I don't care. Try a luxury ball again. You ready? Oh my gosh. Mel.
Nothing will happen. It's not gonna work. We've already tried a luxury ball.
Heal ball. Let's try heal ball. I hit it on the thing.
I'm starting to think this guy just isn't cool. I don't know why.
That guy's just trolling you, huh, Jay?
I think he's just trolling a bit. Where's my heal ball? Now it's in 7. Okay, you ready?
Do I need anything out of here?
Dude, you moved. Do you want it?
I just wrecked him. He was taking up too much time.
Aw, baby. We'll find another one, sweetie. I saw a cool guy over here and I don't know where he is now.
There's a nose pass.
No, there's a really cool dude over
Fufu
here.
left the game.
He just left.
Huh?
Fufu left the game.
Who just left?
You.
I'm on here?
You were saying?
Timed out? What the hell does that mean?
You can log back on. It's just a bit weird.
You know what? I want to punch this whoever this is that stole.
It's not him. It's just the game.
Oh my gosh, Shuckle, go away. Is Ryzen on with you, John?
No. It would say unbeatable dodge on
What? The stream The stream can be accessed again.
Level 10 Beldum.
Oh, it looks like we had an internet glitch. The stream stopped.
Wait, what?
It looks like we had an internet glitch. The stream stopped.
Go get him.
Okay, throw a poke. I know.
Just go get him. I'll follow you with a Pokeball.
Okay,
Get him, baby.
it's only level 10.
It should be good. It should be good. He's so cute.
Okay,
I like his spiky butt.
okay, throw him.
Oh my god. Sorry. Hold on. I'm getting there. Which one do you want?
Let's do luxury.
Luxury? Did you get it? Yeah, you should have gotten it. No, it's right there. For God's sake.
Okay, that should work. Oh my god!
I know, it's horrible. I don't understand.
Pixel off
Oh my gosh. Oops, I hit Q instead of W.
all the
Oh
time.
my gosh. Here we go. Okay,
Alright,
here.
we should be back.
Did you get
Oh,
it?
I got
You
it.
got it. You got it.
I
Go,
actually
go, go,
got
go, go, go. Come on, bud.
You know what?
This is ridiculous.
No,
You want the love ball?
so many things want to fight me!
Calm down. It's fine.
The one Pokemon I came here for.
And you get to fight him and fight him again.
Calm down. Daddy's got Pokeballs. He'll bring one for you.
He's gonna waste them.
Daddy, don't be a butthole.
That's right, Bill.
Why are these guys all so hard? A Volubie, Velaby, a 42. You know what, buddy? I ain't got time until we get a healer. I'm not fighting anybody. JJ, they're all over the place. Here's another one over here. Here's a 20 Beldum. They're all over the place, babe. We'll get one. Don't worry about it. Let's just set up shop here first. Let's get our healer.
I'll look around for some mine shafts. see if
You
I
look
can
around
get
for
it.
There's
Mine
lots of mine
shaft.
shafts around. Should be pretty
I will start
easy.
mining. I have got... Hey, where did my other pickaxe go?
Probably broke.
You probably lost it when you died in the ocean.
I didn't die. I have one pickaxe. Well, we can... That's okay. I got...
Yeah, we have a bunch
We
of
can
wood.
find more.
We have a bunch of wood.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, I'm going way down low.
I'm just looking.
Alexa! Next! There we go. Alright, I see a... something over here. That looks interesting. Oh, stop it with your falling. Stupid thing.
Yes, we're both not in a great mood.
Well, for crying out loud.
We go.
Okay, I'll switch to
I
you.
got hacked.
Snow.
That also means you got hacked technically.
Okay, I'm at level 70, which means I'm nowhere near mining, so I gotta go down further.
Snorlax. Snore.
You're gonna make
I
me
know, is it Diglett
run,
in the
aren't
water?
Yeah, he's drowning.
Snore.
How do we get him?
I don't know. Oh, wreck.
Yep, sorry, Jay.
Rocks.
Don't try. Alright, Jay, we gotta get to a low, low, low ground. Let's see what's up here.
I'm just looking.
I haven't even heard him once. There you go.
That's what I'm doing right here. Here we go. Got some gold, Jay.
Like, I found the mine shaft.
Gold.
Yeah, there's gold everywhere.
Yep.
You can only mine it with an iron pickaxe, so. Yeah, I found a mine shaft. There's a chest. We have some crystals,
Found a chest already?
protector rail,
God, Mesa biome rock.
some tag, some bread, silicon, and some rails.
there's so much gold in here.
Yeah. You see, gold would be near diamond level, just in mine chest.
Okay, so I have the chest. We'll
And
put the
in
chest in
mine, yeah,
here
it's
and the
rusty.
crafting table.
Like, this is no place for gold to be.
And then we'll
There's
put this
another mine
iron
shaft.
and this
Yeah, I
enchantment
think
book, which doesn't
every
do us any
single cave has
good.
a mine shaft in it.
Are
Yeah.
you talking to Ryzen, dude?
Yeah, kinda.
Crystals there.
Cauldron
Got
can be
dead
placed.
ends there. We didn't get any chests there. Hidden Pokeball.
Stupid feathers. Beat it.
Ah, come on.
You know what? No, Zubat, go away.
I see you. I see your
You do?
name tags. Let's see in here. That's a dead end. You know, I think I'm
We've
gonna.
gotta find iron, dude. We've gotta find iron.
I got iron in a chest. I got 5.
Okay, yeah, we definitely gotta find some iron.
Yeah, so just go out looking for
Wait,
caves.
guys, where are we settling in? Where's our
I'm
house?
at the top of the hills where I'm
I
building.
found Dad.
Okay, we need to find a house.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna
that
make
we
my
can
house
make
made out of
our-
terracotta.
Well, hold on. Let's just all go in one house for now. Whoa.
That's a big cave.
That's big. Whoa.
Yeah, I just found like the biggest cave ever.
Whoa.
Let me see. I suggest you not go in there.
Yeah, I would.
You know, Raisin,
definitely not
we
like
build a
to-
house like everywhere we go. I don't know how to explain that, man. We just always build a house. I always seem to be the house builder.
Yeah, because you rock at it. I see apple juice.
Hi, I see you too. There's a huge cave up here, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I did see some iron over there.
What am I looking to do? I'm
Don't
looking
forget
to
to get
place
cobblestone
that.
so we can make a furnace.
Yeah, I've got lots of cobblestone already.
Sweet.
I brought it from the other house.
Okay, cool. So,
At
so
the
I gotta go
top,
here.
there is a massive cave.
So it
No.
looks like, yeah, I see this over here. We just need to find Dad's house so we can get
It's
settled
right
in.
above here. It's right above here.
We need to get settled in.
Yeah, I see both your name tags. You're
I
close.
have a crafting table.
You
I
see
have one
us?
as well.
Where are you?
Go on top of the hill.
Okay. Oh, I already see a chest. I see another chest.
Jay, are you by Dad's?
I'm I'm just working on my own thing. I'm
Okay,
working on
okay,
my own
okay.
thing.
You ain't got to worry, man. I would like to find a house.
It's above where I was. It's above that hill. I'm working on finding diamonds.
Yeah, that's actually a good goal.
JJ's looking for diamonds, if you didn't hear.
Yeah, he's looking for diamonds.
Because we gotta find our healing station. We gotta make the healing station.
Yes.
Which means we also need
That's why I'm getting
iron
So the search for it.
and
Yeah, we need iron.
I have iron.
and aluminum.
Can Ryzen come on this with us?
He can come on,
Come on, Ryzen.
but I don't know why he's not coming on the
Come on,
server.
Ryzen. Oh, I see the house. Okay, cool. Come on, Ryzen, come on.
Maybe he can't play. Maybe he's already used his
Probably.
allotted Minecraft time for the day.
Oh, maybe.
Hey, there's someone. Hey, 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 hey.
Yes, there's a chest. There's a chest, yes. Yes, there's a chest.
Okay, I'm gonna put my coal in the chest.
Fossil.
Oh, I threw all my cobblestone. Dang it. I needed to make
I
a...
have a ton of cobblestone.
Alright.
Like, a ton of cobblestone.
Torches. Torches
And
for
I'm
days.
putting my gold. I've got 24 gold. More cobblestone.
My inventory's starting to fill up.
Some gravel.
Okay, so there's
some
that.
wood. Okay.
chests of these
Oh my gosh, I have to eat.
parts. Ooh, I found this.
There might be some chicken in there for you.
I ain't eating no chickens.
There's a nice place.
Oh, there's not. I still have the chicken.
This place is so cool looking.
Yeah, there are mine shafts everywhere. I love it.
Me too.
Yes, another
Whoa,
chest.
there's a sunshine guy.
You got some crystals.
Whoa.
I got a golden apple.
That sunshine guy is cool.
I got a
Soul
golden
rock. A 50 soul rock, Jay. You want it?
Soul Rock?
Come get him. He's so cool, Jay. You gotta come get him.
Nah, I don't have any Pokeballs.
I have 2.
Then you get them. I'm working on getting supplies, so.
Alright, bro. No, I'm not worried about it.
Already seen. Also, I got a golden apple.
Daddy, I gotta put something on your house to like identify it as our house from afar.
Sure, sure.
Also, if you cook this terracotta, it looks awesome.
Does it? No, Noah.
Oh, well, let me put some dirt on the top.
Yeah, do some. You want me to get some yellow terracotta? It's all around here. I can grab some.
Yeah, there's normal terracotta, there's orange terracotta.
Yeah, I'll get some yellow.
There's every single type of terracotta.
And then that'll help us identify it from the smash. From the
down. And I'll make a sweet path up. Yes, another one. Let's go. This is easy. I've already checked that one.
Shit. Shoot. Sorry. Daddy, are they recording my voice too?
Yeah.
Hey, Matt.
They traveled a lot. They we're at negative 1800 and negative 2500. But how far did they travel from me?
Ooh.
They were just underneath me. I see a name tag. Ooh,
It's gonna get demonetized.
that's
after
Fufu
this song.
down there. Fufu.
That's okay.
Demonetized.
You can't use popular music like this.
Copyright.
Okay, let's see if she can distinguish that from above or something.
Still no diamonds from any of this stuff. Probably put my special stuff on these people.
What else do I need, huh? I guess I need.
Oh, I see you, Mama. I think so.
I was gonna make a garden. So did I have seeds? Did I throw the seeds out? I did. Oh, 2 seeds. Pumpkin seeds. So I was building
Here,
a cart.
Daddy.
What?
There's one over there.
Here.
What?
Hey,
What?
I'm giving you some yellow
My
terracotta
face.
so I can see the place from the house. Or from the sky. Will you take it, please?
Where you at? Throw it on the ground.
I'm right
Come on, just throw it on the ground.
Thank you. This bunch here. Oh no. Merci. Oh, I gotta eat.
I got some chicken.
I don't want your chicken.
I have a golden apple, which is honestly very good.
I want to eat the apple. I will eat the apple Daddy gave me like 3 weeks ago. I've been saving it. I don't want to eat your golden apple.
We need to save the golden apple for, like, if we are
Coarse
about
dirt.
to die.
Dang it.
Agreed.
Because it gives
Is
you
all this coarse dirt?
resistance
Oh,
Alright, do we
thought
have
it was
enough
gonna be
stuff
regular
yet to
dirt.
make a iron pickaxe?
I guess it does look different, doesn't
Yeah, I
it?
have 5 iron.
You do?
But we need to save it for the healers.
I am gonna mine for some iron then.
Okay. So, here's the game plan, right?
Okay.
There's some sticks in there for you, and a cobblestone.
Let me go in and make some.
Okay, so where do those light ones go?
Knock out my war turtle.
Oh, I'm a healer. Why are you fighting?
He ran into me.
Oh,
I
come on,
got you
man.
to escape.
I am.
Okay?
Listen to me. I am putting my Pokeballs in the chest. If you need them, take them.
Okay, so we'll put the farm. Right here, so that it's different.
Parkour. Blasted me being bad at parkour.
Alright, Daddy's got 24 gold ingots already. Why didn't it show gold? Why didn't it say... Oh, there it is. 64! We have 65 gold ingots already. This place is
Gotta have
crazy
a hoe.
awesome. What the heck?
Yeah,
I can
we
hoe
have
horse
so much
coarse
gold.
dirt. Oh, dang it!
Crazy.
Should have read that earlier.
No cheater.
Grab some cobblestone, and I'm gonna make some... Oh no, I don't want to do that.
Okay, so all I have is 2 seeds, so you know.
Here's a chest, finally. Diamonds!
Yay!
What?
Did you find diamonds?
No way!
That was so easy. I found 2.
How?
Easy. Yes, dude.
No way.
And so many name tags that we can't use except on chickens.
Look at that. That's a cool looking face.
Duststone and a red shard.
Nice work, bro.
I gotta Google what this red shard thing is. Say Google.
Is it Google?
No, not primal orbs. What the flip are these people? Red shard.
Anything else I can
Shard.
smell?
What's up with them and the
Space
Right.
mail
Right.
can go away. We don't need no space mail.
Let's fly over here, bud.
Okay, so what's our plan now, guys? We are
We are mining. We have to mine. So I am flying Buddy down,
Ooh, let's
as far
go.
down as
Red
I
shards are
can.
good.
And I'm gonna look for
I found a pretty big mine shaft.
where.
That just ends right there. That's awkward. There's a bunch of gold which I can't mine. Wait, I don't think. Oh, that's a dead.
I need a bucket.
Okay, I have found a pretty decent area. Come on, buddy. Yep. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. This is good stuff right here.
Why is there so much nothing everywhere? I got a chicken! I got 2!
JJ got chickens. JJ got chickens.
Do we need gold, you guys? Like for real?
No.
Not really. Alright, I'm getting Rapadoodle. That was me almost fell way down there.
Let's go.
Wowie zowie.
Don't need the fossil.
Oh man, I didn't make any torches. I gotta have
I
torches.
have been finding torches everywhere.
Oh man.
Another dead one.
Oh well, hopefully I can see good enough. Daddy, will you bring me torches?
Sure. I have no idea where you are.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you where I'm at.
I'm lost in a mine shaft.
Are you?
Big. Oh,
25.
I found the outside world finally.
Can you set the time today, please?
Snorlax.
Time. Time. Set. Day. Pokemon don't like
Rocks.
me here.
They're ornery here.
I got aluminum! Fight Growlers,
Magnitude
they drop
5.
aluminum!
Noise.
No.
Snorlax.
I need those. That sucks. I need those. Those suck. I need
Those up.
those.
I need those.
Okay, so where are you? Are you down by the river?
I am at exactly negative 1915 by negative 2688 down
Negative 19.
in a mine, not a mine shaft, and a hole in the ground. But I am already at 42. I want to find some diamonds. Well, the baby already has diamonds for us for a healer.
You gotta have
Yeah, I
iron
got
and
two.
the other thing.
I need iron though, and I have iron in fresh.
Snore. Snorlax. Locks. Snore.
Geodude. Geodude.
Graveler. 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 Graveler.
Goldeen. Goldeen.
Corfish.
Goldeen. Goldeen. Slow. Slow. Slow.
Oh yeah, the Mayan terracotta always is fun. So much iron. 16 iron from that one vein. More iron.
No.
Wait, I think this is aluminum. Yes!
Got some aluminum.
4 of them. Perfect. Now we can make our healer. Nice. Wait, where is it? There it is. I think this is more. I know that's just iron. I'll take it. It's just gold. More gold. Right. Bioxide. Aluminum. Let's go. That's a big vein. Finally, things are looking up. Also, I have some torches. Some iron. I found like one of the best caves I think I've ever found. It's chock full of gold. I think I found the end. Ooh, I missed some iron there. I already have 33 and I just literally just walked right through the cave and I have 33 iron.
Quagsire.
There's so much gold.
Oh, you brought a bunch of
Yeah, I planted
plants.
you
Man, I had the garden on the top of the hill. What are you doing? Killing me.
I'm helping you. You're blaming me for helping you?
yes, I know.
I think I gotta eat my golden apple. I'm about to die.
I got some chicken.
You already know my answer.
It's delicious, isn't it?
No chicken.
What she said. There's more iron. One piece works.
What am I doing?
More iron.
Trying to find the door.
Also in the house I put the diamonds.
Yes, diamonds.
I found them fair and square, buddy. This cave goes on forever. I'm almost out of torches. And I already have 41 iron.
Nice.
No.
You found 41 iron already?
Yep.
Nice.
Man, Larons are everywhere.
I can't wait to get the power sprayer. I'm so excited. Oh!
Yeah. Laron.
Here you go out again, Beagle. Here you go. Go, go. Here you go, boy.
Not.
I like to smell my own poop.
He's a good boy. Not.
No.
I think I'm definitely deep enough for diamonds, even though we already have some. Because I was a genius and went up looking for them. Everything makes me angry. Except the business and money.
Oh, you little doll. You little doll.
I need to eat my golden apple. Can you finish your Mufan?
Daddy, you want to finish this Mufan or tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow. Spoil my dinner.
I'm gonna get some health back from that regen. Now all I need
Level
is
32.
coal. So I'll just use up the rest of this pickaxe on some coal. And there it goes. There we go. Coal. Now it's time to head out of here. Man, I just keep passing iron on iron on iron.
You ready for me to chop anything, babe? Chop chop or no chop chop?
Alexa, next.
You don't like that one?
I ain't listening to those Trump-loving little rednecks. Hell no.
What?
Oh, those guys love Trump. They came out in 2016 talking about how much they love them some Trump. No.
Ooh, those smell good.
You mean?
Like what I was thinking.
Yep, the crunchy ones. Daddy, are you still live streaming?
Yeah. Level 19, getting close. Found more gold. Unspeakable Gaming joined!
That was me.
All right, Daddy. No, I can do it. You're streaming. It's fine.
Johnny! Johnny! Over at Johnny's place.
All right, you're down at the bedrock level, babe.
What?
I dug you down to bedrock. Well, level 8.
Yes?
It's close enough to bedrock. Level 8.
Nice, babe. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I need to just start mining. I am so lost. Am I even still in the Mesa biome?
Yeah, I need somebody to get me
That's on Mesa.
someplace.
Mama, would you like to live with me in my Mesa castle?
Yeah.
Yay.
Mud on your face. But Daddy's already got a house for it.
I'm
For us to live
gonna,
in.
I'm gonna work on my house. Johnny in the street! Yeah, Johnny in the street!
Ooh, there's a red dragon. What's this?
Red dragon?
Red winged dragon.
That's a salamence! Another thing I've been looking for. What level is it? Did that say level 60? Looks like 54. Dad found another thing that I came here for.
Nice. What is it?
Salamence.
Nice.
But I'm not there with him.
Well, he'll save it for you.
Dad don't work that way.
And he was flying in the air. How am I going to save him?
You just hold him while you quote unquote battle him, and you just hold him until the baby gets there and you run.
But he's flying, so Dad would die fall damage. Unless Dad was over water.
Which I was not.
But yeah, they roam all the time, I think, at the night. Or at dusk.
Gotcha. I paid my dues time after time.
What the?
Oi, 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 oi. Oh, Jay. Oh, look at that guy.
Let me see.
What is he?
Ready? Set. Oh, you already got one. You already got one.
Get ready. He does drop diamonds, though. Dad's such an idiot.
Tyranitar. But he's a rare boss. Do you have the boss? Do you have the boss?
I already have that guy, yes.
Oh, alright.
So you can buy them if you like to get some diamonds.
No, I'd rather fight this little spidery mice
Not
bird
to-
guy. Sheesh, bird guy. What the heck?
Wait, that's mom. Ah, my pickaxe broke!
Chicken! I got more chicken!
Why are you happy about that? You're just gonna kill him.
Yeah, I killed the little birdie guy and I got chicken.
Babe!
What'd I do?
How the baby got?
You fight a chicken and you get,
Oh my god.
fight a bird and you get chicken?
Oh my god.
What's wrong with that?
Oh my god.
Cool.
TNT. Some dynamite. Where's my
Thank goodness I had just the right amount of blocks and
TNT?
supplies to make myself another pickaxe.
TNT.
Finally, I find some terracotta.
Alright, so we don't have enough. We only have 5.
I found the outer world.
No, we need 3 more.
I found the world
which are
that's
cooking.
not in the caves.
Boom. Oi! 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 TNT.
I'm out.
TNT.
I'm finally out.
Oi,
You're
oi,
finally out.
I found Dad's
TNT.
boss Pokemon.
Nice.
His little boss.
Oh, I love this song. It's so good.
Yours looks so tiny next to him.
Yeah, but mine just wrecked him. Ooh, got a diamond and a rare candy. There's diamond. Don't need activator rail. I can't eat the chicken.
It was
There's bread.
it was
There's
a
bread.
birdie guy. It was not a.
There's bread. Thank goodness. Hi.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So I got the anvil. So stick your iron in there and smelt it away.
Eat, baby.
All right. See you guys. We're off.
Accelerated. Do I really have to? No, I didn't. Give me that hammer.
Hammer time.
Exactly. We can make our healer.
Yay!
I know, I'm awesome.
Oh, we got 7 views of that video.
Groveler. 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 Geodude. 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 Groveler. Groveler. Geodude. Groveler. Geodude. Groveler. Geodude. Groveler. Geodude. Groveler. Geodude. Groveler. Geodude. Graveler. Geodude. Graveler. Graveler.
Sandrill.
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 Graveler. Geodude.
Sandrill.
Geodude. 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 Geodude.
War turtle. Sandrill. 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 Sandrill.
Snore. Locks. Snorlax. 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 Locks. Locks. Snorlax.